my people, welcome back to my channel. Welcome. And today I'm going to be doing a very different video. I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to put rhinestones on your skin or on your face for face makeup or whatever. Anyway, I'm going to be showing you the glue I'll be using, the rhinestones, and how I'm going to apply them. So stay tuned. So I've got my brows done already. So I'm just going to go straight to my eyeshadow. So today I'm trying to get a smoky eye with different colors of stones on it. I don't know how that's gonna come out, but I know I can definitely picture that in my head. Anyway, let's get started. So now I'm just going to put my concealer on my eyelid and blend. Next, I'll be going in with my Blossom African Queen eyeshadow palette, and I'll be going in with the Anuli. It's very dark. To blend this out, I'm going to be going in with this shade Lola. She's so adorable. To blend this, the higher part of this eyeshadow, I'm going to be going in with a yellow shade, not too bright, but just something light here. This is what she's going to look like, subtle smoky eye. I'm thinking if after I put the stones I should do an eyeliner that is like a glitter eyeliner. I'm not sure. I'm done with my eyeshadow. I just did something very subtle, black, brown and yellow up my, what's it called, the arc of my eyebrow. Yeah, so I'm going to be going in with my Inglot Body Art adhesive. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, I'm going to be using this brush and this glue to actually make marks where I want the stones to be. If you don't have this, you can actually opt out for classic glitter glue. This is also a good one, but the thing is, this one is runny. As you can see, it's very liquid. It's like water, so you have to be very careful so you don't mess up your makeup. But today I'm going to be using the Inglot Body Adhesive. I have a little of the glue on at the back of my hand, and I'm going to be using this brush just to dip like this. I don't know if you can see, and I'm going to try to mark out the places I want the stones to be. Now, once you have marked out the places that you want to put the stones with your glue, it becomes easier because you can kind of visualize what it will look like, because you can already see the spots on there. Then I'm going to be using a pencil from Top Face, yeah, and it's a white pencil. And the reason I use this is because I figured that it's easier to pick up the stones with this. So in case you can't get that wax pencil, or that wax pencil that they use, you can actually use a white eyeliner pencil. On here I have different colors of stones, so I'm just going to, try to make it nice, place them where I've already placed the glue, and take a close watch. Right on the glue. You can put a bit of pressure if you want. Then I really don't have any design in mind. I'm just going with the flow. Ooh, that's green. You all can see how easy it's coming off. Like, you can see how easy you can place the stones once you have applied the glue properly. And let's not forget, I gave a minute just for the glue to actually kind of dry out so that it becomes sticky, like proper sticky. Ooh. Oh, I really love this. I love what this is giving. I also have a black stone here. Okay. This is nice. This is nice. I really want to have little stones. I have little stones, at some point, just around. Here in this inner corner, I'm going to use the silver. Alright guys, this is it. But I think with the way this is looking, I would like to do something extra with it. I don't know yet, but I might do a colored liner, but that might be too much. I don't know. But let's just go with the vibe first. Alright guys, I hope this the purpose of this video has been fulfilled. I hope you already understand how easy it is to actually put rhinestones. And then if, for instance, you want to use it for body art, you want to draw and put stones, all you have to do is just draw what you want, then you use your glue on that line, then place your stones. It's that easy. So I'm just going to go ahead, do the other eye, and I'm just going to go ahead, do the other eye, and then we'll look for a little more dazzle to do with this look. I figured you lot might want to see how I actually pick the stones. So yeah, this is what it looks like, and I'm going to be going in with a small one. That easy. Picked up the stone, and yeah, like that. If you do not have any of those glues, you can actually opt out for using a lash glue that's really good. and I think classic super large glue can work too. So yeah, just wanted to give you guys that info. I've come to the end of this look. This is the final look. I hope at the end of this video you've been able to know how to place stones for your eye look or for your skin art or whatever you like to use rhinestones for. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it helped. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe. I love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.